Hello everyone, welcome back to another question from series of 30 Days of Pandas. Today we are going to find the number of unique subjects taught by each teacher. The data frame that we have has three columns: teacher ID, subject ID, and department ID. And we need to write a solution to calculate the number of unique subjects for each teacher based on whatever they teach in the university. And there is no order for the final table that we are going to return. So what we have here is that we have a teacher ID, subject, and department ID. And the question wants us to see the number of unique subject ID that we have for each teacher. So department ID is extra information here. We don't need to consider this. And we just look at the subject ID and count the number of unique values for each teacher. In order to do that, we going to take the data frame teacher and group by teacher ID. And since we need to return the teacher ID, we take the as index false, and we're going to use the aggregate function. And what we're going to do is to take the subject ID and say that we want the number of unique items. And unique is going to take a look at, for example, when we are doing the group by, we look at these three rows for teacher ID number 1, and we see that there is a 2 unique item here, that is 2 and 3. And then finally we're going to rename the column that we have. The column subject ID should become CNT count. And bear in mind that I did not specifically, for example, drop this column or took these two columns. And what we did is that since we group by, we technically take these, and then in aggregate function, we only do some task for the subject ID. So eventually it keep the department ID out of this solution itself. And that's it. If you find this video interesting, please help me by following my channel. And if you had any question, I would be happy to answer them in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.